In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim 100 free listings from Etsy. This is a savings of $20, and I don't know how long Etsy is going to have this around, but I highly recommend you take advantage of it today. And if you have multiple stores, make sure to do the same for each one of them. So let me show you how easy it is to claim your 100 free listings.
All right, so here we are in my store. I have 707,697 free listings at the moment. So what I'm going to do is see if this number actually increases. So I'm going to go back to Etsy promotions and I'm going to type in the code, get my free listings, and see what happens. As you can see, I did go up 100 free listings. It went from 707,000 to from 697 to 707,000 to 797. So make sure to claim your 100 free listings today.
It's super easy to claim the 100 free listings as you saw. All you need to do is head over to etsy.com/promotions and enter the code 100new for Etsy to claim the free listings. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you.